The ease of doing and getting things done has seen a dramatic improvement in recent times with innovative technology and digitization. Elevators are no exceptions. Rahul would miss a heartbeat if his elevator stopped working due to a glitch. Repeated calls and lack of response visibility was a routine. Not anymore. ECE Customer app now enables him to just click for help and all response actions remain visible with timelines, and all this gets logged. Convenience and transparency at his fingertips. Welcome to the world of smart elevators. At ECE, we are causing paradigm shifts in the way people use and experience elevators.